Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to 4 other buttons we can manage. Now let's focus on this one from the right with settings. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have flip selfie option, so this is the mirror effect here. By using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. And also, as you can see, the device gives us the short advice that this is only effective when we use the front camera, so remember about it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.